Angel. Today we're going to be making Shanghai rice cakes with shrimp. It's one of my favorite things to order at Din Tai Fung, and so this is another copycat recipe. So if you like Nian Gao, which is the rice cakes, they're super delicious. You're gonna love this recipe. This is also known as Mandarin as Nian Gao, and they're really quick and easy to make. I can make this in usually under 10 minutes. So if you're interested, keep watching. First, let's prepare our vegetables. So I like to use long stem spinach here, and we'll just trim the ends off of the spinach like so. Set this aside. And I also have some Napa cabbage here. I'll just use 2 or 3 leaves. Trim off the ends. And then slice them into small pieces. Next, I have some dried shiitake mushrooms. I'm using about 3 dried shiitake mushrooms here that I've pre-soaked in water. And Din Tai Fung's recipe doesn't actually use the shiitake mushrooms, so you don't have to do this, but I like to add them to this recipe, so I'm going to add 3. So I'm just going to slice these into thin slices. Set these aside. And here I'm using about ½ a pound of frozen large shrimp that have been shelled and deveined. And to defrost them, I just went ahead and put them in a bowl of water and let that sit for about 15 minutes. And before we make our sauce, I want to prepare the rice cakes. I've got about 1 cup of fresh rice cakes here. I'm going to rinse these in cool water and just let the water kind of soak into the rice cakes. So I gave that a nice rinse, and I didn't have to drain all the water. I'm just gonna let it sit here and absorb the water while we prepare our sauce. To prepare our sauce, I have 1 small bowl, and we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1/4 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, and this will give the dish a nice dark color. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, which will give it a nice flavor. ½ a teaspoon of rice wine. And if you guys don't have rice wine, that's totally okay. You can also substitute with a little bit of water. And 1 teaspoon of sugar, which will give it a nice bit of sweet flavor to it. We'll give this a quick stir and let that sugar dissolve and mix in. And then we're ready to cook. First, let's turn on our fan because it's gonna get smoky. And then we'll turn our pan on medium-high heat. Once that's preheated, we'll add a little bit of oil first. And I'm gonna start with adding the vegetables, and that's because the shrimp cooks fairly quickly. If you're using a different protein like chicken or pork, I would cook the pork or chicken first. Some oil. So you have the vegetables in there, add about 1/4 cup of water, or I have the mushroom water here. Then add our rice cakes. And finally, our sauce. Once it's all mixed in, to soften the rice cakes, what we'll do is cover the pan. We'll let that sit covered for about 1 minute, and that'll help soften the rice cakes, and then we'll add our shrimp. Should we check it out? Okay, so that looks great. The rice cakes have definitely softened up, I can feel that. Next, let's add the shrimp. Here, I just want to stir fry until the shrimp is done. The rice cakes are already soft and the vegetables are good, and this should only take about a minute or 2 depending on how large your shrimp are. And during this time, you'll notice that the sauce starts to thicken a bit, which is really nice. And finally, at the end, I'm just gonna drizzle with a little bit of sesame oil to finish it off. and a dash or two of white pepper. Mix that in, and we're ready to serve. And now we're ready for the taste test. So I'm gonna get a little bit of the Nian Gao, or the rice cakes, and a piece of shrimp. Really chewy. It's delicious. I love kind of that chew from the rice cakes. It's almost like a little bit of a mochi taste with the chewiness, and the shrimp was perfectly cooked. The flavors are delicious. There's a hint of soy and that oyster sauce, making this a really delicious dish that you guys can make in under 10 minutes. I'm Angel. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's recipe video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And as my grandpa would say, sharing a meal with a fascinating stranger is one of life's true delights. So until we can share some Shanghai rice cakes together, take care, I love you, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!